Cut Curvy is a jean that we designed for the curvier woman. She's a little bit more fuller in the hips and she has a small waist. So it's going to give her more coverage in the hip area and it's going to eliminate that gapping issue in the back.
My inspiration for Cut Curvy is when I see women with the hourglass shaped body, and a lot of times when they wear their jeans, it doesn't fit them.
And there's a lot of us out there in the world, or a lot of women out there in the world that have this body shape.
We wanted her to feel as a slim girl would fit, walking down the street, sexier, make her legs slimmer, make sure that when she bends down, it doesn't show the waist. That's why we do the contour on the waistband.
When we identified that there was this void in the market, we really spent a lot of time doing our research, doing a lot of development, and creating the perfect fit. We're so excited about it. Our whole design team is so energized about it because it's really fitting that customer's needs.
The curvy fit just sits exactly where it's supposed to sit. It fits like a glove. It's got really nice fabric and material. It fits me exactly where I want it, up on my waist. Length is awesome. I just love the quality of it, and I think it feels like a really high-end, beautiful fabric.
That's what we're about, is designing that jean that is going to make her feel sexy and comfortable. And when you're comfortable in your jeans, you feel and look good.
I'm super excited about launching the Cut Curvy fit because then I feel like cut from the cloth is going to be able to fit every woman in the nation, where we've been missing this fit, and this is just going to be an incredible way for us to reach all women.
We think Cut Curvy is a fantastic product. We're so excited to add it to our line and very excited about the launch.